Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia. In today's video we're gonna do a closet cleaning with me. I have this closet right here. It is a mess. The issue I have is that I have a lot of clothes down here. I need to pick up. I bought another bin for this and I need to take out these what do you call bookcase that I thought it would be nice in there, but it took a lot of space, so that needs to be changed. This bar that I have here, I bought it from Amazon. I wanted to put some clothes because I don't have anywhere else to put my clothes since I have too much clothes. So these clothes right here, they're supposed to be in there in the closet. So my what I want to do is to put everything that's long sleeve, because right now it's summertime. I want to put everything that's long sleeve in this part of this closet bar, and in this bar right here I want to put those summer stuff like short sleeve and then walking stuff. And then I have bought me a bin just like that one, to put those clothes I have right here in this box. And I also taking out this one, take it out. And I have some sweaters that need to go. I have too much sweater. I haven't worn them like for I don't know, like about 2 years, like that. And also I want to put some of my church clothes because I'm starting to go back to church in front, so I can easily pick up my clothes to go to work and to church, and if I'm going somewhere. So let's go do that. Without further ado, let's begin cleaning. And I also need another shoe thing for my shoes because I have them under right here in this bookshelf. And I went to IKEA. I don't know if I'm gonna have space for these. I bought this long thing that's so you can put stuff on it. I'm trying to see if I can put it right here in this. I want to see if I can put some sweaters in it, but we're gonna see how spacious we have in the closet. So if I have space, I'm gonna put it. Maybe I'll put some paints too. Oh yep. And then let's go to this.
First, best believe that I'm the fool when it comes to you. I always fall head first when I'm with you. I never think before I do. No, I always fall head first, best believe that I'm the fool when it comes to you. You know I never.
I know that I have to get rid of, let's see, some of those clothes because they're gonna be too small for me. But right now I don't have the time and the energy to do so. So we're gonna just clean it. I think we're gonna do partial work, right? Just clean it, put stuff away, and then we'll see by in the middle of the summer to see if I have the time to do that. All right.
But why does it feel the same? I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you, I do whatever you want me to do. I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you, I always fall head first when I'm with you. I never think before I do. I always fall head first, best believe
I'm almost running out of space. See, I almost ran out of the place. I could never make my dream come true. It's just like, really, I thought that I would have enough space to, not that even my coat. My coat's in that big thing over here. Those are my coat. I was thinking like I will have space to put the coat over here, but I need to go through those coats too, because God know that some of them not fit me anymore. But it's not. I should do that for spring cleaning. I didn't do spring cleaning, so this has to be waiting until summer cleaning, no, fall cleaning. So see, I almost run out of space, so I'm gonna try to see what I need to do. Also over here I have most of the clothes up there and here. Okay, let's go. Where is stuff? Underwear. It's okay, stuff. So far, this is how this thing goes. The cleaning. Look at all the shoes that I have inside of that closet. Behind, boots. And top of that, I have boots also some sandal and a pair of sneakers, and those are my shoes that I have up in there. Also, those are my nicer shoes.
I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you, I always fall head first when I'm with ya. I never think before I do.
Those are mostly the long sleeve stuff I put up there and down back in there. And then those are like some of the long sleeve dresses. And over here, those are my Smmer dress, like a short sleeve and then a skirt. Those I tried to do color coordinated. That's how this goes so far. I took that closet, that's linen closet for my clothes, and then up there it's my bag, but I'm gonna put pants up there, so I have to take out those bags out. And up there it's linen. I need to refix to clean that more. Clean it. So far this is how this go. And then I also try to color coordinate over there. I got black, yellow, red, blue, white, beige, colorful red. This is my closet. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for cleaning my closet with me. That took me like about a week or two. Who knows how long that took me. So thank you, and thank you for watching. Have a good one. I'll see you next time for the